Hello, and welcome to this brief tutorial on how to use the Get It button when utilizing the library databases. As you can see, I have just conducted a search in the ProQuest Central database and have pulled a few resources that are marked with the Get It button instead of being a full-text resource. If this were a full-text resource, I could simply click on the title and locate the document, usually as a PDF. In this case, what I see instead is the purple Get It button. I'm going to click on this button, and as you can see, ProQuest is notifying me that this link is going to take me somewhere outside of the ProQuest database, and that is okay. I'm going to click on Continue. Clicking on the Get It button has taken me to our library catalog where I can see the full listing for this resource. All I need to do is scroll down under where it says View It, and I can see by looking at this resource that it is not available anywhere else through any of our other subscriptions. Since this item is not available through any of our other subscriptions, I can click on where it says Not Available, Request from Interlibrary Loan. Clicking on that link redirected me to ILLiad, our interlibrary loan system. And as you can see, it's automatically filled out areas of the request form for me. So what I'm going to do is double check that the information that's in this request form is the same as what it needs to be based on the citation for the resource. So is the title correct? I would need to input the author manually, it looks like. So I'm going to fill out this order form and then click on Submit Request. Utilizing interlibrary loan will allow me to order the resource from another institution outside of K-State. Since this is an electronic document, it should arrive shortly via email. There is another potential outcome when using the Get It button. In this case, I'm going to navigate to a resource that looks interesting to me and click on the Get It button. Again, I will be redirected to the library catalog to see the full listing. And this time when I scroll down under View It, I can see that it says Get Full Text here, and then it names a different database. I'm going to click on the link to this database, IEEE, and clicking on that link led me to the same resource in this database, and in this case I can see that the full text is available as a PDF. This completes the tutorial on how to use the Get It button when utilizing the library databases. If you encounter the Get It button in the course of your research and have any questions or concerns, please contact your undergraduate services librarian. Thank you.